sleeping the bat because the last night from karaoke. We have overhang. Hangover. Hello, good evening.
Hi.
Did the flash work on that one? That. Yeah, take a picture.
Dilim pala talaga, no?
The right side is a bat cave. Many bat inside there. Not going inside because very smell. Going inside now the bathroom, not going inside the bat cave. Front. The brown color on the top is a limestone. Not stalactite or stalagmite because foot of the wall, the name is flowstone. They grow every year 0.2 millimeters. Kaya bawal siyang hawakan, pwede lang siyang ipuin. Kaya nagkaiba doon, pag ginawakan nyo, maiwan kayo, tumatakbo yung bangka, hipo lang.